Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I want to talk about whether Ethereum is slowly dying or if this is a good opportunity, right? We hear a lot of criticism on Ethereum right now. We are seeing a lot of negativity regarding Ethereum, right? Bitcoin is going up and Ethereum continues to fall down, currently sitting at around $2,500. And so if you enjoyed this content, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. And so let's go ahead and jump right into it here. Let's take a look at this chart, right? This has been going around on Twitter here. We can see that the outflows for Ethereum here are significant, right? We're seeing a lot of money flow out of Ethereum, and then we're starting to see money flow into Sui, Base Chain, and Arbitrum. And so I'm going to be talking about this in the video, explaining what exactly is happening, right? Is this as bad as it seems? And so let's also take a look at this here as well, right? We're seeing that Ethereum drops out of the top 5 protocols by the 24-hour fees. And so again here, we can see that the fees on Ethereum are also dropping, looking very negative, right? And so I want to explain what is going on. And so if you're bearish or bullish on Ethereum, you can check out the link underneath the video to Margex. This allows you to leverage trade over 30 different cryptocurrencies, and I do recommend having multiple platforms during the bull run, just in case one of the platforms that you use does have downtime, right? There is maintenance on other platforms, and so I do recommend having multiple platforms. And so we can see that Ethereum's currently trading at $2,565 right now, and we have been consolidating in this channel here since August. And so I do think this is going to end up breaking to the upside. We're going to start seeing higher highs on Ethereum, very similar to Bitcoin. However, there's a lot of criticism on Ethereum. And so I'm going to be going over that in this video. I'm also going to be explaining reasons why you should be bullish on Ethereum, right? We see some of the largest institutions out there that are bullish on Ethereum, and so I'm going to be sharing that as well. And so I personally bought Ethereum back in 2017 at $94. Now this was my first purchase on Ethereum here, and I'm still up about 25x from that position. Now I have not sold any of my Ethereum. I'm still very bullish on Ethereum long term. If you look at Ethereum and understand it, Ethereum is the base layer of a lot of cryptocurrencies. Now let's go look at some more details of this chart right here, right? Showing massive outflows for Ethereum. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the information regarding that chart. And so if we go ahead and take a look at Ethereum here, we can see that the outflows over the last year here are $7.3 billion. And so one thing that people are not explaining is a lot of that money that's on Ethereum here is just moving over to Ethereum layer 2 networks, right? We have Arbitrum, Optimism, Base Chain. Just the combination of these net flows right here is about $7.5 billion, right? So yes, we did see outflows of Ethereum at $7.3 billion, but the combination of just these three right here on the top are $7.5 billion. And so we're just seeing a lot of that money shift from Ethereum to layer 2s. And layer 2s are going to do very well moving forward, right? We even have a tweet here from the CEO of Bitwise mentioning that 2025 is shaping up to see an explosion of new layer 2s and stablecoins. And so Hunter Horsley here has been very bullish on layer 2s and Ethereum moving forward. If we take a look at this tweet here, we can see that, in case you missed it, Kraken was the latest company to announce it is launching a layer 2 on Ethereum. And so Kraken has joined Base Chain, right? Base Chain by Coinbase. This is a layer 2 that is doing very well. I'll be showing some statistics on that here shortly. We also have Sony here that's building their own layer 2. And then we have Uniswap as well, right? We're going to continue to see this. And so in my opinion, it is only a matter of time before we see announcements from the following firms, whether that's going to be Robinhood, BlackRock, JP Morgan, or Fidelity. And so I definitely believe that is coming right now. If BlackRock leads the way and launches their own layer 2, we're going to see a lot of layer 2s and Ethereum absolutely explode. And so that's definitely something that could happen, right? And so why could that be? The cost of launching a layer 2 will continue to drop. This means that the incentive to launch will continue to grow. And so we are seeing the growth of layer 2s continue to go up here. We can see the trend that has been happening, right? We're seeing an explosion on Base Chain. I mean, look at the dark blue right here, right? There's a ton of growth happening on Base Chain, and this will continue. And so even though Ethereum looks like it's dying, we're seeing a ton of growth here from layer 2s, and I definitely think that's something to be paying attention to. And so we're only going to see this continue to grow, right? We have Kraken that is picking Optimism for their new layer 2. We have Sony that's also unveiled their Web3 division and their own layer 2 network as well. We have Uniswap here unveiling their own layer 2 network. And then we have Coinbase here with Base Chain, right? This has been extremely successful. And now all of these are built on the platform layer, Ethereum, right? These are all layer 2s to Ethereum. And so I definitely think this is very bullish for Ethereum in the long term. Now, if you're looking at Base Chain, right, we saw significant growth with Base Chain. And so we can see here, Base Chain is outperforming every other layer 2. Now, if you're looking for cryptocurrencies that are on Base Chain, that will do very well moving forward, the first one I want to mention here is Aerodrome. And so I've been talking about this for a very long time, right? This is currently at an $838 million market cap. And so this is the decentralized exchange on Base Chain, right? Coinbase even owns Aero themselves. And so this is a token here that I think will do very well. Now, if you're looking for a smaller project, right, that is also focusing on Base Chain and is a decentralized exchange here, we can look at Alien Base, right? I mentioned this just yesterday when it was at about a $9.3 million market cap. Right, that this is going to have significant growth since it is a decentralized exchange on Base Chain. Now today, this is already up significantly, right? We're already talking a $14.5 million market cap. Whereas yesterday it was just trading at about 8.8 cents. Today, currently trading at 13.6 cents. And so if you're interested, you can follow me at Altcoin here on X as well. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the developer activity for Ethereum, right? We can see in October of 2022, we had a peak here for the weekly active developers on Ethereum. Now, since then, we have been falling off. However, if we take a look at the bigger picture here, right? If we look at all the different ecosystems that are out there, 1,412 ecosystems. Ethereum here has 1,541 sub-ecosystems with 112,663 developers. In comparison to Solana, right, 323 sub-ecosystems with 49,245 developers. Now, a large majority of those are meme coins. Now, yes, that's the same thing with Ethereum. However, I feel like there's more meme coins probably on Solana than there is Ethereum. And so I definitely think there's a lot of activity still taking place on Ethereum. There's some very solid projects that are built on Ethereum. They've been around since 2017. And so, I mean, as we can see here with Ethereum, right? I mean, in the last 3 months, we've seen a drop of 20%. Solana looks like the better play here, right? I mean, up 19%. So Ethereum has definitely been doing worse than Solana. Solana looks to be flipping Ethereum. However, in times where Ethereum is getting a lot of criticism, right, it's not looking very good. We're seeing a lot of change in the negative. We're seeing a lot of money flowing out of Ethereum, right? We're seeing the fees really start dropping on Ethereum. Those are oftentimes the best opportunity to be investing in projects, right? I mean, Ethereum is the base layer. Ethereum is not going anywhere, right? Ethereum has the ETF that has been approved. And so once Ethereum starts moving in the up direction, I think it's going to get a lot of attention and a lot of traction. So now are the times to be paying attention to the layer 2 cryptocurrencies that are built on Ethereum and Ethereum, in my personal opinion. And so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And as always, this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.